Hi guys, this is the order of operations. You always want to do parentheses first. If we come across exponents, which we don't do too much in third grade, but if we have exponents, that would be the second thing you do. Then you would multiply and divide, and then add and subtract. So some problems you may not have parentheses, you may not have exponents, so you're just going to go down the list of what you do first. When we work with the order of operations, we read from the left to the right of the problem. So I'm going to go ahead and look at the last page that we're going to be working on today, and that's page 136. And we're going to read from the left to the right. Now I did take a picture of this, and I put this inside Otis, into one of the resources. And then the students are going to have their own little copy on Wednesday when they have their supplies. Okay, so back to here, I'll go ahead and pick a couple of these. Well, number 10, it goes 4 plus 3 times 5. Well, if I did the 4 plus 3 first, I would get the 7. So this is the incorrect way of doing it. 4 plus 3 is 7. And then 7 times 5 is 35. So that's what I would have gotten. But I know that the order of operations, since there's no parentheses and there's no exponents, the next thing to do would be to multiply or divide from left to right. So from left to right, I have this. This is a 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. Then I'm going to add 4 to that. Now 15 times 4, plus 4, plus 4 is going to be 19. That's a lot different than 35. So that's why the order of operations is super important. Let me do number 11 here. Well, I don't have any parentheses. I don't have any exponents. But I do have multiplying or dividing. From going from left to right, right here, I have 10 divided by 2. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. And then I have to add 3 more, that's going to give me 8. Now, if I did that a different way, I would get a different answer, most likely. I'm going to go ahead and do 2 at the bottom here. I'm going to go ahead and do number 15. Okay, hold on. I have a division thing, and I know that we do that. But look, we have parentheses first. When you see parentheses, you want to make sure you do it first. So I'm going to do it really quick. Let's see. 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So now my equation is 10 divided by 5. And I know that there's 2 5s in 10. 5, 10. Okay, so 10 divided by 5 would be 2. Then I'm going to do this one. I have a multiplication sign, I have parentheses, and I have a subtraction sign. Well, I need to do parentheses first, always first. So 5 minus 2 is going to be 3. And then I have a 3 over here. So 3 times 3 is going to be 9. Okay, so once again, looking at my order of operations, I always want to do my parentheses first. Okay, if I have exponents, I would do that next. Next, I would multiply or divide. It doesn't matter if I'm multiplying or dividing. It's whatever sign you see first, reading from left to right. And subtracting or addition, doesn't matter which one comes first. It's either of them, but I have to read from left to right. Okay, I hope that helped.